Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or iPhone Air or any other iPhone that is going to be running with the latest iOS 26 update. So let's get started. Now, in order to turn off the Do Not Disturb, the first thing which you need to do is to check if you have Do Not Disturb on or off. So, pull down the control menu by swiping your finger from the top like this. And then the way to see it, if your phone is on Do Not Disturb, is going to be under the focus setting. So, if you tap on it, it's a very first setting right here. Now, as you can see here, if I tap on it, Do Not Disturb, it's turned on. And I can also verify it's turned on when I see that icon right here that looks like a moon over here. Now, in order to turn off the Do Not Disturb, you just need to open up the control panel from the top right corner, pull it down, and here you will see Do Not Disturb. Just tap on it, tap it again, and the Do Not Disturb will be turned off. And when you see the focus mode, it means that the Do Not Disturb is turned off. And that's how basically you can turn off the Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.